Hi! Looking for an easy and profitable monetization option with super high CPM rates? It seems Monetag SmartLink is exactly what you need. What is SmartLink, or Direct Link? SmartLink is one of Monetag's most profitable ad formats. In a nutshell, it is a special link that automatically redirects the user to the most relevant offer. Also, SmartLink works with every traffic type, so don't hesitate to try it with free social media and messengers traffic, website organic and direct traffic, paid traffic, remnant traffic. How does SmartLink work? SmartLink is very profitable, but also very easy to use. Just take one link and start earning big in just a few steps. Step 1. Take your SmartLink to your Monetag account. Step 2. Add the link to your website or landing page. You're done! SmartLink will do all the rest without your effort. Look how it works. A user clicks on your link. SmartLink's AI algorithm immediately analyzes the user's geo, devices, and other important information. The user is redirected to a page with an offer that will most likely engage them. The chances are high that the user will enjoy the offer, and you will enjoy a big profit. How much can you make with SmartLink? There's no limit. SmartLink has very high CPM rates by design, so you can earn really big without much effort. Just look at how our publishers do it. $1,610 per day. More than $2,000 per day, $1,600 again. Seems it's a stable daily income. You can do the same or even better. All you need is to join Monetag and grab your SmartLink. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell. We have plenty of exciting stuff to show you. See you at Monetag!